A very good morning, my dear children. Now, before I go with my grammar portion, let me ask you some few questions. What do you do every day? What do you do the full day? You get up, you wake up early in the morning, you brush your teeth, you comb your hair, you have breakfast. What is mama doing in the kitchen? Mama cooks food, mama makes breakfast for you. Then you exercise yourself, you do skipping, you wear clean clothes. All these are action words. And sometimes mama's busy the full day. Mama washes clothes. You help mama for dusting, sweeping, so many other things you help mama. So what mama does at home, all these are action words like cooks, comb, brush, drink, wash, dust, dusting, then Papa goes to the office, Papa goes by car. So, what Papa does? Papa drives. So, all these are action words or doing words. In this slide, children, we have to match the pictures with the words. Boy, what is this boy doing here? Boy is singing. So, we have to match with sing. This girl is eating. So, we have to match with eat. This boy is smiling. So, match with smile. Teacher is teaching. So, match with teach. Bird is flying, match with fly. This boy is running, match with run. So all these are action words, whatever you do at home. So remember children, these words show what people and animals are doing. They are called doing words. Doing words are also called action words. In this picture, children, in the previous slide, I didn't match it, but here we will do matching. So it is easy for you to see. Boy, what is this boy doing? Singing. So match with sing. Girl is eating. Match with eat. Boy is smiling. Match with smile. This boy is running. Match with run. Bird is flying. Match with fly. Teacher teaches. Match with teach. In this picture, in this slide here, children, look at the pictures, underline the doing words in the sentences. As I have already told you about the action. Can you tell me what this girl is doing here, children? This girl is drinking water. So, I drink water. So, what is the action there? Drink. The next one. My sister sleeps on the bed. So what is the action here? Sleeps. So we have to underline sleeps. My sister sleeps on the bed. I drink water. My sister sleeps on the bed. In the next one, what we can see here, children? We can see boy. What is this boy doing? This boy is playing with the football. So here, what is the action here? Action word here? Plays. He plays football. In this picture, we can see mama. What is mama doing? What is mother doing? Mother is baking cookies. So bakes is the action. Mother bakes cookies. Again, once more. He plays football. Mother bakes cookies. In this picture, what we can see here, children? We can see frog. What is the color of the frog? Green. What is the action word here? What is the frog doing here? The frog hops in the pond. In this picture, what we can see? We can see father. What is father doing here? Father drives the car. So what is the action word here, children? Drives. So repeat after me. The green frog hops in the pond. In the next one, father drives a car. In the next one, fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Builds, blows, plays, writes. She writes with a pen. So all these are action words. What do? You also write with the pen, children. So that is action word. So she writes with a pen. The wind blows. When the weather changes, children, you see when the wind blows. So that is action word there. Hemant plays the guitar. Hemant plays the guitar. So what is Hemant doing there? What action word is there? Plays. So we have to say Hemant plays the guitar. A bird builds a nest. So what is the bird doing there? Builds. So builds is action. So again repeat after me. She writes with a pen. The wind blows. Hemant plays the guitar. A bird builds a nest. In the next one, bakes, grows, eats, reads. This is the continuation of the previous slide. A seed grows into a plant. So a seed, children, you take a seed, you put it into the soil, then it grows into a plant. The next one, a cow eats grass. A baker, what does a baker do? Baker bakes cakes. Father, what is father doing here? Father reads the newspaper in the morning. So what is the action word here? Reads. The next one, bakes, eats and grows are doing words or action words. So repeat after me. A seed grows into a plant. A cow eats grass. A baker bakes cakes. Father reads the newspaper in the morning. Next one. Fill in the blanks with the correct doing words from the box. We have already seen the doing words, children. Now can you tell me, lions, what do lions do, children? Lions roar, they make noise. Fishes, what do fishes do? Fishes swim in water. Babies, what do babies do, children? Babies crawl. Birds, they make the sound, chirping sound. So birds chirp. Dogs, what do dogs normally do, children? When strangers come, they bark. So dogs bark. Stars shine in the sky. Repeat after me. Lions roar. Fishes swim. Babies crawl. Birds chirp. Dogs bark. Stars shine. Now with doing words it is over, children. Now we are going to I or you, to your new topic. Read what the children are saying. Now this boy, can you see this boy? This boy is saying, I am Faiz. In the next one, he's saying, you are Bina. So he's saying, I am Faiz and you are Bina. Again once more, I am Faiz, you are Bina. In the next one, this boy is saying, I am a boy and you are a good girl. So you see the action there. Yes, sir? So the difference between I and you. When you're talking to someone, so you say you are a good girl. In this picture, we can see he's saying, I am a boy. The next one, he's telling, and you are a girl. Again, once more, I am a boy. You are a girl. You are a good girl. In the next one, yes, again he's telling, I am in class 1 and you are in class 2. So remember, children, I is used to talk about oneself. Remember, children, I is used to talk about oneself. You is used for the person you are talking to. These words are used in place of naming words. In the next one, fill in the blanks with I or you. We have already seen in the previous slides, children. So you see these two are talking there, this boy and this girl. So what is this girl is saying? This boy is saying, this dress is nice. You are looking smart. So you see how this boy and this girl, they are talking. This boy is telling, this dress is nice. You are looking smart. The next one, Alan. Alan is showing ice cream there. He's saying, I am Alan. I love ice cream. Again, once more. This dress is nice. You are looking smart. I am Alan. I love ice cream. Next one. This boy, you see, nicely playing in the park. He said, this is a park. I play here. This boy is saying, I love sports and I play every day. This is a park. I play here. I love sports. I play every day. And the next one. So they are introducing their family. So this girl is saying, this is my family and I am the youngest. I am the smallest. This is my family. I am the youngest. Now these two again they are saying, you see what this boy is saying? This boy is telling, your dog is nice. I like your dog. You see, the boy is putting hand on the dog and saying, your dog is very nice and I like your dog. This is my family. I am the youngest. Your dog is nice. I like your dog. This is my family. I am the youngest. Your dog is nice. I like your dog. In the next one, now. Now, let us read more words which replace the naming words. Can you see this girl dancing here, children? So we have to use she is a nice dancer. In the next one, this girl we can see. So what is girl? In the place of girl, we have to use she. She is in the park. She is a nice dancer. She is in the park. Next one, we can see doctor here. So in the place of doctor, we have to use E. E is a doctor. Now these two here, you see. This boy is saying, he is my friend. So in the place of boy, we have to use E. He is my friend. In the next one, we can see here, what we can see here, old book. So, name of a thing, we can use it. Name of a dog, we can use. Name of an animal, we use it. Name of a book, name of a thing, we use it. So remember children, what is this here? What you can see in this picture? An old book we can see here. Then you see this boy playing with the dog. So it is a friendly dog. This boy is saying it is a friendly dog. It is an old book. It is a friendly dog. So remember children, E is used to talk about a boy or a man. She is used to talk about a girl or a woman. It is used to talk about a baby, an animal or a thing. The words he, she and it are also used in place of naming words. Next one, fill in the blanks with correct words. Now this is Maya. You can see this girl's name is Maya. So in the place of Maya, we write she. We don't write Maya here. So in the place of naming words, we use she there. This is Maya. She is 6 years old. This boy is here. He's saying, I am Raj. So I stay in that house. I am Raj. I stay in that house. So repeat after me. This is Maya. She is 6 years old. I am Raj. I stay in that house. Next one. In this car, oh, you can see children. Mother. What is mother doing? She is driving. In the next picture, what you can see? Raju. So he's saying, this is Raju. He is my cousin. The next one now, again repeat after me. This is my mother. She is driving. This is Raju. He is my cousin. In this here, we can see the girl painting here. Yes or no? So you say, I like your painting. I draw well. This is Tutu. It is our pet. Again once more. I like your painting. I draw well. This is Tutu. It is our pet. Look at the pictures. Now can you see these three best friends? So this girl is saying, we are best friends. In the next one, the girl, so many children are sitting here. So there are so many. So this girl is saying, they are my friends. We study together. This girl is saying, they are my friends. We study together. Again, once more. We are best friends. They are my friends. We study together. Again, once more. We are best friends. They are my friends. We study together. In this slide, children, remember the use of we and they. We stands for the names of more than one person speaking, like boys, girls, men, and women. They stands for the names of more than one person, animal, or thing. Replace the highlighted naming words with we or they. Cheena and Ravi love cartoons. So these highlighted words only we have to change. The rest we have to write same as it is. Cheena and Ravi we have to use they. Love cartoons. Love cartoons is already written there, children. Only we have to write love cartoons there. We have to replace the highlighted naming words. Only these two we have to change. So write they here, Sunil and I. Only these highlighted ones, and then we have to write we there. Cheryl, Meena and I. We have to write we. Dogs, cats and fishes, we have to use they. The rest here, love cartoons, we have to write there. Are going to school. Here it is written, so we have to write it same as it is. Are good friends, just write it like that. And can be kept as pets, just write it like that. Nothing you have to change, children, only you have to change the highlighted naming words. Again, once more. Cheena and Ravi love cartoons. So the correct answer is they love cartoons. Sunil and I are going to school. We are going to school. Cheryl, Meena and I are good friends. We are good friends. Dogs, cats and fishes can be kept as pets. They can be kept as pets. So remember, children, only the highlighted words you have to change. The rest, everything is the same. We're going to a new poem, I Wonder. It is given into your book, children. So you just look, when I'm just reading, just look into your books. And put your finger after each and every word that I read, children. In this picture, we can see this boy. He says, sometimes I really wonder. In the next picture, he says, when I sit near a lake. What is in the water? See this boy he's having so much of tension. He's just thinking, what is in the water? He just wants to see what is in the water. Is it real or fake? So this boy is saying, is it real or fake? What is in the water? Is it real or fake? The next one, it slides, it glides. When I move, it hides. So the boy is saying, it slides and it glides. And when I move, it hides. Who's that it? Let us see. This boy is sitting again near a lake and just wondering. He wonders if it is the moon. I wonder if it is the moon, as I don't see it at noon. Do you see the moon in the afternoon, children? No. So this boy is just sitting there and he wonders, as I don't see it at noon. Now we're going to the poem, children. As I'm reading, just put your finger after each and every word that I read. I wonder. Sometimes I really wonder when I sit near a lake. What is in the water? It is real or fake? It slides, it glides. When I move, it hides. I wonder if it's the moon, as I don't see it at noon. Now sing along with me, children. I wonder. Sometimes I really wonder when I sit near a lake. What is in the water? Is it real or fake? It slides, it glides. When I move, it hides. I wonder if it's the moon, as I don't see it at noon. As I don't see it at noon. Again, once more, children. I wonder. Sometimes I really wonder when I sit near a lake. What is in the water? It is real or fake? It slides, it glides. When I move, it hides. I wonder if it's the moon, as I don't see it at noon. As I don't see it at noon. It slides, it glides. When I move, it hides. I wonder if it's the moon, as I don't see it at noon. As I don't see it at noon. So children, you see the boy sitting near a lake and he's just wondering what is in the water. As we already seen their children, the moon in a bowl. Vani's grandmother, what Vani's grandmother does in order to make Vani happy, for her to stop crying. So Vani's mother keeps the bowl on the grass. So this boy can see the moon inside the water here, children. So in this, we have already seen. Now the boy is just wondering what is in the water. Is it real or fake? So the boy is saying, I wonder if it is the moon, as I don't see it at noon. Now let's go to the word meanings, children. Fake, not real. Glide, move smoothly. Noon, midday. In the next one, A, comprehension. Fill in the blanks. The boy is sitting near a, we have already seen in the picture, children, the boy is sitting near a lake. Then he is looking at the moon. What is looking at the moon, children? In the water. Then when he was just watching the moon, when he could see the moon, children, he could see the moon during the daytime or night time. He could see the moon at night. Now at night time, what do we see up in the sky? We see the moon and the stars. So the same way here, children. Now read after me. The boy is sitting near a lake. He is looking at the moon in the water. It is night time. The moon and the stars are in the sky. B, vocabulary. Add one more word from the poem to each set. Lake, take, fake. Slides, glides, hides. Spoon, moon, noon. Again once more. Lake, take, fake. Slides, glides, hides. Spoon, moon, noon. In this, children, we can see the rhyming words here. Lake, fake. Glides, hides. Moon, noon. Again once more. Lake, fake. Glides, hides. Moon, noon. With the lesson, it is over, children. Grammar portion and the poem. So there's homework for you, children. Learn the poem I Wonder and grammar portion. So till then, children, thank you. Stay safe. Bye-bye.